Girls Inc. community. My name is Annie and I am a volunteer here at Girls Inc. of the Pacific Northwest. Today, as part of our STEAM Self-Led Camp video, we'll be learning about coding by making coding bracelets. Make sure you look in your supply kit and grab your beads, string, and your coding worksheet. It should look something like this on the front and this on the back, and possibly something to write on and write with. While coding and programming is often done with computers, you can also learn about binary code doing activities such as making a coded bracelet. Binary code is the language and input that computers use to function. Take a quick look at the binary code worksheet and see how each letter or symbol is converted to a series of numbers. We're going to use this code to create a bracelet that has 3 letters or symbols. The first step is picking those 3 letters or symbols. Usually initials are a good idea. Choose your 3 letters and write them in the space at the bottom of the binary code worksheet. Once you have your letters or symbols, you're going to convert them to binary code using the key right here. So for example, if I wanted to use the letter B, which I did, it's right here. So if you look at the letter B and you go over, the binary code for B is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. And then what you do on the worksheet is bring it down here. You have B, and then the code is right here. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Once you have your 3 letters in binary code, now grab your beads. You should have 3 different bead colors. Each bead is going to be assigned to a different number, 0 or 1. You may notice you have 3 colors though. One bead color is going to represent a stop or a space between your letters. This is so you know when one letter stops and the other begins. Assign a bead color to 0, to 1, and then to stop. For example, my 0 is green, my 1 is blue, and my stop is pink. And then write that on your worksheet. Like I did right here. See? 0 is green, 1 is blue, stop is pink. For example, here is my binary code. My color for 0 is green, my color for 1 is blue, and my color for space or stop is pink. My letters are capital A, capital C, and capital B. So the final step is putting your bracelet together. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find your string. It should look something like this. And so what I did is I used one of my stops, which is pink in my case, and I tied it on the end here to make sure that it all stays together. So you just tie a little knot around here. So I just sort of put it through twice like this. So it was like a little double knot. And then one more time just to make sure it stays right there. Right, put it through like that, perfect, and you tie it real tight. So this is going to be your end, and that makes sense because it's a stop, right? So you're going to put the stop right at the end of your bracelet, right here. And so, for example, my first letter is going to be a B, and so what I would do is I would grab my 0, which is green, and I'd put it right through the end, right here. So right here. So I put a 0, just like that. It's right at the end, right there. And then I do a 1, which is blue in my case. So I put a blue right through there. Blue, perfect. And then I would do 4 more greens because I have 4 more 0s to put on. So 1, 2, that's a little tricky to do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I put in 1 more blue for another 1. And then I finish it off with a 0, which is green. Here we go. Look at that. Right through. And this is the capital B. And so to finish off, just to make sure I knew which letters were which, I'd put a little cute pink one right at the end here as a stop. So I'd know where it stopped. And there we go. Here you go, a letter B. Perfect, so you just have to do this 2 more times and then you get the end of your bracelet and you get a cute little binary bracelet. I hope you enjoyed learning about binary code and creating your bracelet. If you have any more beads at home, you can continue this activity by making more words and more bracelets.